So, quick overview of today's trade, like February 10, 2026. I just explain it in 1 minute first, then explain it in higher time frame. So, no, just starting from higher time frame, that would be the greatest thing. I will start from 1 hour. So, from 1 hour, you can clearly see we are here. So, as you can clearly see, we are keep on going bullish. So, we are keep on going bullish, and we are inside this recently formed bullish value. So, inside the range, I need to be bullish and expecting higher prices, right? So at this particular time, I was here. So we already got the sweep of the low. This drop down, trade back higher, failed to take this liquidity instead drop down, sweep the low. So we can expect this is our draw on liquidity for sure, right? Got it. So this is M15, trade higher, we got to change again one more time. So this is a current leg. As you can clearly see, this is a current leg price drops lower towards the 5 hourly gap and trade back higher. Failed to take this liquidity instead drops down and we got a sweep. We got a clean sweep and it stayed back higher. So it already getting inverted and I expect this to get inverted to see higher prices. If it's sweep the high, we can look for short. That's my plan. And my primary target is this if what is going to happen here, right? If it's break and displays higher, we can expect a weekly high. If it's not, we can expect the reversal towards this value because it's not properly rebalanced. If you see this, so if you see this whole range, so this is our equilibrium level. So price not even comes back to the equilibrium level for this range. So we can expect the price to come back to that spot. So that would be good. So this is yeah, this is where the market opens. 9:30 to 9:35 candle. The next candle, what happened here is drops down. Next candle drops down. Print SMT with this 9:30 to 9:45 candle. And we get the higher time SMT, lower time SMT. Trade back higher, sweep all, and it's keep on sweeping right, and it drops down towards this spot. Okay. And if we go to 5 minutes, yeah, this is negative. These are all the session lows. Already getting set. It's made back higher, drops lower to the first inversion candle. And we get this inversion plus this bullish value. So instead, we change it was super bullish and expecting higher prices. So this is the key confident for me to go for buy. As you can clearly see, market market opens, market open. We are holding inside this level here. With a tiny speed. We have to change the state value a bit displacement. So obviously I expect the price to reach this spot. But what happened here is price just tap this value up drops lower. And I expect the price to take this high, take this low, but instead it's give the change the state of delivery and flip all the value and trade back high towards my predefined draw on liquidity. So the reason behind that is it's print SMT there. In Q it's already taken. And this is a 9:30 to 9:45, and this is also the next candle print and SMT, and we got to change the state. It's this very clear in NQ, but here it's not that clear. So let's take this liquidity and give the clean inversion, and expect this. This is just the retracement for this spring, and as per my wish, it's dropped down to this high time frame favor, which is 5 minutes. So this level to the inversion, the break. We got this inversion, so this is my first entry. I expect the continuation, but it's kind of flipped. So I waited. So drops lower, boom, sweep the first leg. We got this inversion, we got the change in the state here, pull back to the Favali holding. We got this place lower Favali holding. It's kind of keep on drops lower towards this liquidities, right? But instead of looking into sell because the objective has been met, price went SMT here, and it's trade back, trade higher, and take all the liquidities, right? And it's keep on rejecting out of the as soon as you take this low, it's inversion. So buys it taken, we got the inversion displays lower. Buys it again taken, and its inversion displays lower, change the state. So it's keep on disrespecting this level, right? It keep on disrespecting that it's failed to sustain inside this range. The previous day high, the buy side liquidity, the first like everything has been swept here. So the I should have moved towards sell, but I unfortunately keep on stick towards buy with this idea like that inversion with the 5 minute inversion with 5 minutes fair value gap. I kind of looking for buy and keep on expecting the price to reach this high, but it's switched the direction right here. It's sweep the high. It's an SMT with the NQ and it's an inversion change the state. It's kind of switching its direction completely towards downside. This is the first target and this will be the second target after the split. That's what exactly happened. This is again market maker sell model. Inside the market maker sell model, we get a high, low, swept, change the state, pull back to the further range. It's pulled back. It's likely getting swept straight into that fair value gap. If we drop down to the high time fair value of just 3 minutes, we got a sweep. And again, we got a internal sweep. We got to change the state. It's got to change the state fair value according. Beautiful sell off at around 1 o'clock. So pretty much this is what I did. This is my first entry. It's a continuation at the top. I should avoid this because it's not the proper entry model, right? If I enter, I should enter at this 50% level and put the stop with the 5 minutes value upload. That would be good. Otherwise, I should avoid the buy entry. This is not buy entry. This is where I need to look for sell, but I unfortunately bought here. Was like swept in motion, beautiful. It's kind of swept this direction, and I keep on looking for buy here. Here it's sweep, and it's give the inversions were entered here. If I just wait for the fair value gap or the displacement something, or else my friend were like 1, 2, 3. If I break this high, this one more technique like this is where I have to mark the three candles, and if the price sweep or break this, then we can go for entry with this fair value gap or with this confluence. If I wait for that, I would do avoid this entry, and one more time it's sweep this low, holding this fair value gap. And again, it gives this inversion why I tried here. So one failure, two failure, three, everything has been bullish, like in bullish bias. So I entered here, and it's failed to reverse and it's failed to hold inside this range. It's break, so I closed my position somewhere around here manually. If I waited the same thing, like 1, 2, 3, if I waited for this change in the state, or else this candle this candle to sweep or break, I would avoid this kind of loss. So this two loss should be avoided if I follow that model. And this is something I should avoid because it's already take the buy side. It already keep on displacing towards downside, and it's not a proper model. But it's at this particular time it's kind of inversion. It's keep on inverting, keep on giving inversion at the top. So I should do she's flick my bias to sell. I unfortunately didn't do that for today. So that's it. Nothing much. We'll see in the tomorrow session.